Hello everybody, welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Campari backs Carnival 2023. The alcohol brand has stepped up in a big way to give support to the full return of Jamaica's Carnival season. On Wednesday, Campari held a press conference in which it announced that it had brokered a 3-year partnership with Jamaican brands Yardmass and Exodus to host Campari Carnival. Marketing manager for Campari, Pavel Smith, says the partnership looks to elevate Carnival, which was already a multi-billion-dollar revenue stream for Jamaica.
We thought, this is a perfect opportunity. Yardmass and the Exodus, they're the two biggest properties for Carnival in Jamaica. So we say, could we get these guys to work together to deliver that experience, to make Jamaica that destination for Carnival? And we thought, let's see how best they would be interested in it. And I think when we opened the conversation, they were like, yes, let's look at the bigger picture and understanding that Carnival in Jamaica is big business. We're talking about close to $5 billion in revenue for our economy. So it makes sense. If it is they can come together to deliver this, it can only be a win-win for everyone.
Exodus director Scott Dunn shared on his initial surprise on the proposed partnership made by Campari.
To be honest, they didn't mention that that I was meeting with Andrew. That's coming to a meeting with Campari, and then we showed up and there's Andrew. Was like, wow, what's going on here?
Now, Yardmass managing director Andrew Bellamy also had similar sentiments on the future for Carnival in Jamaica.
Yeah, it is a big deal. I mean, this is a huge announcement for the industry, a huge announcement for Carnival in Jamaica industry. Us partnering, Exodus and Yardmass and the teams that are involved and all of our subsidiaries actually is a big deal. We're actually going to shake the Carnival Day. We're going to shake the Carnival Week. We're going to shake the whole Carnival industry this year. So we're excited about it.
Marketing manager for Campari, Mark Tefler, says the partnership aims to bring an elevated flair, camaraderie, and a wholesome experience for revelers.
The Yardmass execution that you're accustomed to, that will be there. The Exodus execution will be there. What Campari is doing is coming on board to enhance both experiences, so you're guaranteed brand new consumer engagement. And let me break that down. For every event you attend, it's going to be something new, a new experience for you, the consumer. It's not just you come, you party, you go home. You're going to leave with an experience, you're going to leave with a memory, and it's all going to be unique in each occasion.
The return of Carnival in Jamaica for 2023 has seen the joining of bands, new partnerships for a full rollout this year, all in an effort to get back to pre-COVID status of contributing nearly $5 billion to the economy. Can't wait. Now, Cranium leaves US label Atlantic Records. In a lengthy post on his official Instagram page, Cranium reminded his fans that he was the only dancehall act to sign to a major label back in 2015, adding that it wasn't easy being a dancehall artist based in New York. He said, quote, "Although I had a lot of great moments, I had terrible experience in the mix, and that's what comes with taking chances," end quote. Cranium thanked his team and went on to talk about his accolades that include over 1 billion streams, 3 silver certifications in the UK, being certified gold in America, 3 gold certificates in Canada, plus a platinum certificate in Canada. Now, this weekend is all about the Cross Country Road Show as we roll out in St. Anne, Portland, and St. Mary. So look out for us with some of Jamaica's top acts and get ready to bounce with Lali. Also, come on out with your family and friends to our sports day at the Port Maria Primary School starting 10 a.m. sharp. See you at one of our cross-country events this weekend. Keep safe. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.